write a value of integral e to the power of ax into cos bx dx. So let us solve it by using by parts, since we know that integral fg is equal to f integration g minus integration of f dash integration of g. So for selecting the function f and g, so we can consider by using the eyelet rule. So here two functions are there, one is trigonometric function and exponential function. So we can consider the trigonometric function to be the first function f, and exponential function is the second function g. So let us write I is equal to integral cos bx into e to the power of ax dx, and by using by parts we can write cos bx into integration of e to the power of ax minus integration of differentiation of cos bx, that is minus sine bx into b, so we can write minus b sine bx into again integration of e to the power of ax dx whole dx, and this can also be written I is equal to cos bx into integration of e power x is e power x upon a minus of minus here plus, so we can take out b integration of sine bx into integration of e power x is nothing but e power x upon a, so let me take outside into a dx. So again by using the by parts, so integration e to the power of ax into sine bx, say this is the function g and this is the function f, so we can also write this as, so integral I is equal to cos bx into e to the power of ax upon a plus b upon a, so sine bx into, so let's do directly integration of e to the power of ax, we can write e to the power of ax upon a minus integration of differentiation of sine bx, we can write cos bx into b, and again integration of e power x is e to the power of ax upon a dx. So we can write integral I is equal to e power ax upon a cos bx plus b upon a square e to the power of ax sin bx minus b square upon a square integral cos bx into e to the power of ax dx. So which is same as our integral I, this is again I, so I can write here I, bring this side, so plus b square by a square of I is equal to, so we can take out 1 upon a square, so we have e to the power of ax common, so we can write sin bx plus cos bx, sorry, so we can write a cos bx plus b sin bx, or we can also write this as, by taking I common, a square plus b square upon square, a square plus b square upon a square of I is equal to e to the power of ax upon a square of a cos bx plus b sin bx, so a square and a square get cancelled, and we can write our integral I is equal to let me write here, so the answer integral this is equal to e to the power of ax upon a square plus b square of a cos x, a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is the answer. Okay, or here let me write I is equal to e to the power of ax upon a square plus b square of a cos bx plus b sin bx. Okay, thank you.